Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Immaculate, and today's video I'm going to give you 5 top ingredients that you need as an oily skin girly. This is in no orderly manner. This is in no hierarchy or order. I'm just giving you all the ingredients, so you better stick and stay with the video till the end. First product is salicylic acid. Now, salicylic acid, it's very good for oily skin because it goes deep into your pores and clears out your pores and gets rid of all the excess sebum that has been produced and is clogging your pores. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that calms your skin. Okay, so that's for salicylic acid. So these are ingredients that when you are buying your skincare products, you look out for these ingredients in those products. If you're an oily skin girly, look out for these ingredients in those products. Any product at all, whether your cleansers, your moisturizers, your toners, look out for these products in the ingredient list of the product you are buying. Okay, yeah, so that's for salicylic acid. The main purpose is that it's supposed to clear your pores. Okay, so the pores that have been clogged up by the excess sebum is going to clear it all out. That's for salicylic acid. It's also anti-inflammatory, which keeps your skin very calm for you. Number 2, we have certain ingredients that are called ceramides. You can do more research about it. They are called ceramides. Ceramides, they protect your skin's natural barrier. They protect your skin's natural barrier against the environment and the weather, pollutants, and the rest. The likes, they make your skin's natural barrier stronger so that it can protect you from within. So that's the work of ceramides. Actually, ceramides can be used by all skin types, but because I'm focusing on oily skin today, yes, so you need ceramides in your skincare products, especially your cleansers. So yeah, ceramides protect your skin's natural barrier. Number 3 is niacinamide. Niacinamide is also known as vitamin B3. It is very good for your skin as it evens out your skin tone. Niacinamide is good for evening out your skin tone, right? It tightens your skin and reduces your pores. Okay, it also fades out spots over time. Okay, so chipping in somewhere here, I'm going to talk about vitamin C. Vitamin C is very good because being an oily skin girly, we are prone to acne. We are acne prone. We have acne prone skin, and when you get acne, you're definitely going to be left with dark spots after the acne are died off. Okay, so vitamin C brightens out the spots on your skin. But then the difference between niacinamide and vitamin C is that vitamin C is a little bit harsher. Okay, I'm not saying it's good. Vitamin C is very good, don't get me wrong. Vitamin C is very good if you are using it correctly. Vitamin C can leave your skin very sensitive, especially to the sun. Okay, which means that you have to top it off always with a sunscreen. But niacinamide is a little bit gentler. It does not leave your skin sensitive to the sun. That's for niacinamide. Niacinamide does not leave your skin sensitive to the sun. So that is the difference. Okay, vitamin C also has antioxidants, right? That helps your skin. Okay, so vitamin C is good, niacinamide is good. You can use them both together. Okay, so these two are very essential for oily skin girly. Hope I'm making sense, right? Hope you guys get the gist. Yeah, next one is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a very good product. Like, it is widely used and can be used in several conditions, not just for oily skin girlies, but it can be used across, like it can be used in other areas or other aspects of your skincare or your health care even. Okay, because tea tree oil has antibacterial properties, antifungal properties, which should have been number one anyways, but it has antifungal properties mainly. It has antibacterial properties as well. So sometimes, or mostly, whenever you have nail fungus, you are always advised to use tea tree oil to treat it, to prevent or to cure or to treat, better say, to treat your fungal infected nails. Tea tree is very good. So in this case, if you are an oily skin girly, which means you're acne prone, you know, there are some people who have a lot of acne, like recurrent acne, very bad acne, and most of the times these are bacteria infected. Okay, or should I say, yeah, these acnes are bacteria infected, or they are produced by bacteria, so, or fungal. So sometimes when you use tea tree oil, it helps prevent these types of acne, like acne that are caused by bacteria or fungi. Hope I'm making sense. Yeah. So tea tree it has antiseptic properties. Broadly put, tea tree oil has antiseptic properties that will help treat bacterial fungal infections on your skin. So when you are using it on a daily basis, you can get tea tree toners or tea tree cleansers. There are a lot on the market. You can get tea tree in several other products. Okay, so when you are using this in your daily skincare routine, they prevent such things from happening. They prevent bacteria or fungal infected acne. Okay, they can also prevent other skin conditions like eczema and the rest. Okay, tea tree also is anti-inflammatory. It has antioxidants, and it also has anti-inflammatory properties, which keeps your skin calm, right? Last but not the least is aloe vera. Now you guys know this. Okay, this is something that is out, everybody knows. Aloe vera has great moisturizing properties. Okay, you can even use it raw from the aloe vera leaf or tree, or is a fruit, whatever it is. You can use it raw, but just that when you're using it raw like that, you know, it's highly concentrated, and there can be, or there may be, a lot of toxins inside because it's not processed, right? So when you are using it raw like that on your skin, you don't leave it on your skin. You can't leave it on your skin. The most you can leave, that is recommended by dermatologists, is 10 minutes, right? Then you wash it off, because it can cause irritation and, you know, redness, sensitivity, and all of that, right? So you do not use it raw. But if you are going to buy the processed aloe vera gel, those that you see on the market, you can actually use it as your moisturizer. Okay, and it's very good. It moisturizes your skin so that your skin doesn't go over producing sebum, which goes on ahead and clogging your pores and giving you acne. So yeah, aloe vera also treats it's also good for sunburn. It treats, apart from its moisturizer or hydrating properties, it treats sunburn. So if you have sunburn, you can start applying aloe vera on your skin, and it's going to treat it for you. It also treats eczema. Okay, aloe vera also treats eczema. It has some properties that help treat these kind of skin problems. Yeah, aloe vera is very good for your skin. Bonus points, I'm going to talk about hyaluronic acid. Now, hyaluronic acid is good for the skin, but it is not essential. Okay, it's not essential in oily skin, because hyaluronic acid is like a hydrating kind of formula, or a moisturizing kind of, it's highly hydrating, hence the name hyaluronic acid. It's very hydrating, mostly recommended for dry skin people who have dry skin. Okay, excuse my voice. People who have dry skin, okay, hyaluronic is mostly recommended for people who have dry skin so that it can hydrate their skin. But then it's also good. I mean, oily skin, you can use it, okay, you can use it and it will moisturize your skin, not in excess. You can just use it in moderation so that your skin feels hydrated, but mostly it's for oily dry skin. But it won't hurt for an oily skin person to use hyaluronic acid. So we've come to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also share it to your loved ones and your friends. Let them benefit from the goodness of the message I'm bringing to you. Okay, and my next video is about a product that you should totally avoid as an oily skin person. So do well to watch that as well. I'll be linking it in the description below. Tap on it and watch it as well. Bye, stick and stay.